Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So on the Ethereum chart, we're dealing here with a still a bullish structure on the daily time frame. Just wanted to make sure, due to the volatility that we've seen, that we're not losing sight of the bigger picture. I normally cover the smaller time frame chart only, and then like every few weeks look at the daily chart here for Ethereum, because nothing's changed really. But the market might make another attempt of an upside breakout now that we have seen the expected volatility, or we are seeing it right now, and the positive outcome from Trump probably becoming new president. I mean, results are pretty much in, right? So we've seen the expected positive sentiment. We only talked about that in our Sunday member live stream, that additional positive sentiment could come in should Trump win due to his pro-crypto stance. Well, if he's gonna implement everything he's saying, that's a different question. In the end, he's a politician. Anyway, this is not about Trump here, but that's been the catalyst we've been watching for. And so the idea is still that we could get a fifth wave to the upside in this cycle. That's the idea, right? That's the thesis. What I'm a little bit undecided about is whether the wave 4 already bottomed or not. But this is the support area that needs to hold to keep the bullish expectation alive. In the region between 4,790 to 7,879, that would be an ideal target area. Ideally even more like towards 5,727. 4,790 would be very weak for a fifth wave, but it will depend on the microstructures, how they are developing here, right? Looking at the more detailed structure, you can see that we still haven't broken above all these previous swing highs. So the market is still just moving sideways. This might be a triangle or something. It is a sideways range. And we've seen several of these rallies in the last few weeks, and all of them failed. So this might just be another attempt, but we haven't even broken above the swing highs from last week. So that's the next step for the bulls. But overall, the $1,790 level is key support to maintain a positive outlook for Ethereum, right? But it is less positive compared to Bitcoin. I always have to say that, because the ETH BTC chart is still going down. Overall, we are in a downtrend. So while of course Ethereum has a positive outlook, as long as support is holding, Bitcoin is still stronger, right? So let's take a look at the not Bitcoin chart, shorter time frame. So on this chart here, we can still see the potential bearish micro count, because the rally in the last few days or weeks actually was all rallies were only 3 wave movements. So that means we had this bearish structure on the chart with an invalidation point up there at around 2,726. So that's the invalidation point. Above that level, we have 2,768. That's an even more important one. So it takes a break above 2,768 for Ethereum to invalidate the immediately bearish potential. If this rally fails from here, then it puts Ethereum at risk of dropping strongly in a third wave. But yesterday, and that's important, the micro support area for a C-wave rally held. This is still technically a 3-wave move to the upside. This micro support area was communicated yesterday on Discord. I don't think we talked about it in the video. No, we didn't. So if you are interested in additional updates throughout the day, especially during times of volatility, you might want to check out our gold membership. I think I've sent 3 updates through for Ethereum yesterday, and one communicated this micro setup for an A-B setup and a possible C-wave rally to come, which rallied a little, or moved a little, not higher than expected, but it's pretty much now moved into the extreme for a C-wave. Yeah, we are still in the resistance area, moved through the first resistance, up in the second resistance, but the wave count is still valid, okay? The wave count is still valid, but as I said, as soon as we get a break above the green line here, this would start to invalidate the immediately bearish potential. Would it be clearly bullish though? Not really. We need a 5-wave move up followed by a 3-wave pullback. At the moment, this is only a 3-wave move up. But should I see the start of a corrective pullback, so if we get 5 waves up, maybe throughout the day, and I will let you know if I see that on Discord, then as soon as we have a top in place, I will add support for the subsequent correction. However, Please note that this structure is a bit of a mess, right? Since August, not really anything noteworthy has happened. Up, down, up, down, up, down, in a tight range without any clear breakout signal. Now this might turn into the next attempt, but it's not happened yet, right? And it always, we need that structure in place. The last rally here also was not a 5-wave move, so we're just dealing here with corrective patterns, which is also one of the reasons why it then declined, because it couldn't hold a 4-5 pattern. This again is a 3-wave move. Now, while it might extend, as long as it's only in 3 waves, it's not clearly bullish. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.